So I ordered this package a long time ago, and I totally forgot about it. I quite literally forgot that I had ordered it. It never showed up. It kind of slipped my mind. It was just a few bucks, so I wasn't super concerned back in the time, and I guess I just forgot that it was coming. And so I got this package in the mail the other day, and I was expecting a few things from a couple of guys on the stream that we had worked out for some trades and things like that. And lo and behold, it was the package that I ordered a long time ago that I forgot was coming. And so what we actually have in here, if you look, that looks like we might have a Silver Eagle. But before I show you the Silver Eagle, we're going to talk about where I ordered the Silver Eagle from and why I wasn't really concerned that it hadn't shown up. And we'll go from there. And what's really unfortunate about this is when I recorded it, I actually recorded me ordering it so I could make the video with it. And it had been so long. I mean, we're talking a couple of months that I deleted the footage, not realizing I deleted the original footage when I was cleaning up my hard drive. All right, so let's go ahead. What we're going to do right now is we're going to go to wish.com and we're going to show you where I ordered this. This is a 2020 American Silver Eagle. I got it for a fantastic deal. Let's find out why. Okay, guys, we are on wish.com and I just did a search for Silver Eagle. You can see up in the top here. I had to search it because on the main page it has my actual name and I don't want to share that, no offense. But we searched Silver Eagle and we don't have to scroll very far. You see there's a couple of listings here. We have this listing right here for what looks to be Walking Liberty $half for 23 for 9 of them. That's a great deal. But additionally, we have this ad right here, which is very, very exciting. Oh, look at this, a Maple Leaf Gold coin for $9. Anyway, we have this deal right here, which is very, very exciting. A 6-piece Silver Eagles for $15. Now, this is not what I ordered specifically. I don't see the listing that I ordered. But as you can see, we have 6 pieces of Silver Eagles here for just $15. And look, there's even a customer photo here, so you can see we are indeed going to get these Silver Eagles. Now, again, this isn't the order that I ordered. I ordered this a couple of months ago, forgot about it because it never arrived. Oh my gosh, here it is. If you look down, there's a lot of reviews. So just love them. Nice add to my collection. Great coins, thank you. Coins came in today. They look great. These are months ago. Arrived sooner than expected. Looks great. Wish. Fantastic piece. Guys, here's the thing about these is obviously anyone with half a brain knows that this is obviously a bunch of fake Silver Eagles. Look how easy it is to get these into the United States. Just order them on Wish. They'll arrive no problem. You'll get 6 of them. You can go out and defraud whoever you want. So I ordered one Silver Eagle from Wish to make this video with. Recorded myself doing the order, made a couple of snarky jokes while I was doing the order because obviously I knew what I was getting myself into. Threw away $4, that's totally okay. And finally I got it. Again, I lost the footage. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Silver Eagle. We're also going to compare it to a real 2020 Silver Eagle, guys. Let me tell you something. It's hilariously bad. It's not even close. Anyone who's ever seen a Silver Eagle before is not going to be fooled by this. Let's head back over to the desk and show you what we got. Okay, I got the camera a little bit closer so that we could see this thing nice and up close. Let's go ahead and get this out of the packaging. Again, I had previously opened this because I forgot what it was, so we couldn't do an actual unboxing. I didn't realize what I had until I opened it up. I'm like, oh yeah. But take a look at this Silver Eagle, guys. So we have a 2020 Silver American Eagle. Take a look at the year. Look how large those numbers are. That right there is the first thing. Additionally, it just doesn't look right in the first place. But look at those numbers, 2020. You know, everything else, you know, in God we trust, everything's there. You got Lady Liberty, you have the sun in the background. If you flip it over to the reverse, of course, it is marked as 1 ounce of fine silver, $1, United States of America. You have the eagle, you have the 13 stars. You know, outside of the fact that, you know, it doesn't look right to anyone who looks at Silver Eagles regularly. The 2020 is just so far off. And what I want to do is I got an actual 2020 Silver Eagle right here in my hand. So we're going to go ahead and pull this out of the flip and set them side by side and just take a comparison view. Okay, so got the camera closer so we could take a look at the differences here. Of course, you can see on the right-hand side, we have our real 2020 Silver Eagle. Left-hand side, this is the one from wish.com that we got for $4. You can see, look at the date. The numbers are just larger. I believe the date's in a different font. Now, it does look like In God We Trust and the word Liberty might be in the original font. although the letters aren't, you know, they're not the same thickness, if you will. Like, look at the E here is much thinner. It looks like the design is the same, but it's like this one is on bold and this one is not. Additionally, the color is not the same either. So, you know, a lot of problems just looking at this. But when I first saw it, I mean, the first thing I noticed is that date was way goofy. I actually had to run and grab a 2020 Silver Eagle so I could compare them side by side because it was that bad. I couldn't believe the difference here. If you look at the 2020 here and look at the 2020 there, that's just absolutely insane. Flip it over to the reverse. We'll flip over each coin to the reverse and take a look here. You can see the same thing. I mean, the eagle is much more defined. The wings, you know, the wings actually, look at the curvature here of this wing and then look at this one. It all looks goofy. Look at unum. Much smaller unum over here than over here. E pluribus barely fits on the ribbon over here. There's much more room on this side. You know, there's a lot going on with this. The twig and the branch looks really bad. The arrows kind of look okay, but the biggest thing about this, guys, is anyone who doesn't know what they're looking at, anyone who's not used to seeing silver eagles, this is going to fool, and that's what's really scary. So 1 ounce fine silver, $1, United States of America. So let's do a couple more tests on this. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do the weight test. So let's weigh them and see what the difference is. I had to do a little bit of adjusting on the camera to be able to get it readable. It's still not perfect, but at least it's coming up in the camera. So the first thing we're going to do is put our 1 ounce American Silver Eagle here on the scale. And as you can see, it scales out exactly right, 1.000 ounces troy. It's exactly what you expect out of a 1 ounce Silver Eagle. It is 99 fine silver. It is 1 ounce troy. That's exactly what we are looking for out of the 1 ounce Silver Eagle. Now let's go ahead and weigh our 2020 wish.com Silver Eagle and see what we have. As you can see, guys, it's not even close. It's almost 1/5 of an ounce light. It's a little over 1/5 of an ounce light, I should say, at 0.79 ounces. So it's light by a lot. It's not just a little bit off. It's way off. So obviously, at this point, anyone who's not sure just based on the design, they're going to be able to weigh it and see, hey, there's not actually an ounce here, which is a good thing because, again, you don't want them to be fooled. Now, a second thing we'll do is we'll use a magnet to see if it sticks. This is the fake one here. This is my magnetic slide. It's not big enough for an eagle, but it definitely does not stick to the magnets at all. So it's not magnetic, which means it's probably copper. Okay, and one other thing that you can do, guys, is we can use the Bullion Test app. So if you don't have a scale and you're still not 100% sure, on Android, I know there's a version on iPhone as well, although I don't have it to show you, but I did a video on this version, on the Android version, on this channel a while back. Make sure you go check it out. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to see more about this app. It's really, really cool for common stuff. It obviously doesn't work on everything. It doesn't work on bars and things like that. But what we're going to do is test this. And what this app does is it listens to the coin. And since something like a Silver Eagle like this one, it has an exact thickness, an exact diameter, and an exact weight and metal content, it's really hard to replicate the sound without everything being accurate. So if someone made a fake Silver Eagle that had the exact weight and density and diameter and thickness and the same reeded edge just like the Silver Eagle does, and of course it's going to be fooled. But it's not going to be fooled by really bad fakes or even really good fakes that are made of a different metal, because it's going to sound way different. And I'll go ahead and show you how that works. So I already have it selected on Silver Eagle. You can see there's a bunch of different options here. Of course, like I said, there's a link in the description below if you want to go check it out on my channel, the video where I reviewed this app. Let's go ahead and listen to it. We're going to go ahead and balance this on the edge of my finger. Now I have a plastic Sharpie here. You don't want to hit it with anything metal, because if you hit it with something metal, you could damage the coin. That's not our intent. We just want to ding it just a little bit to see how the app responds. Here we go. Okay, and as you can see, guys, it shows, you see these 3 blue lines? That's what it's looking for these frequencies to peak at. You can see it has even the hertz of the sound, so 3725, 8613, and 15,008 hertz. You can see these lines are almost dead on. It has a frequency deviation of 0.1%, 0.2%, and 0.6% at all 3 spots. So as you can see, this Silver Eagle is just fine. That's exactly what we're looking for. Now let's go ahead and do this one. All we have to do to retest is tap the coin again. This is our fake one from wish.com. Take a look at that. It is way off, and you could even hear it. Like if I do it next to the microphone, listen to this. That's incredible, the sound difference. Let's do the Silver Eagle. Huge difference, isn't it? And look, the frequency deviations were even less this time. So clearly, this is not a silver eagle just based on this test alone. Of course, there's much better tests out there. You could use the slide test. Of course, there's the precious metals verifier, the PMV and the PMV Pro, which are both really good as well. But again, we have a hilariously bad fake 2020 silver eagle from wish.com. And just be careful out there, guys. Whenever you're buying stuff, you got to be careful when you're buying things off eBay. And if we take a look at this, look, come to think of it, I never even compared these next to each other. It's not even the right diameter. It's actually just a little bit smaller. And the thickness is a little bit thinner. So nothing about this is right at all. But if you don't have another eagle to compare it to, you definitely could get fooled. If you're like, oh, if someone has a, you want to sell me this 2020 silver eagle for $20? Sure. You'd lose 20 bucks on this one. So there you go, guys. A fake 2020 silver eagle from wish.com. I'm going to put this in with my fake pile. I get other messages when I'm showing fakes off that I should destroy them so that they're never used again. But don't worry, I will never use these ever. It's going to sit in my fake pile so that I have them, for example, in future videos and things like that. You know, I would never let these get out of my possession and be used ever again. You have a lot more to worry about than me. You have more to worry about, like, you know, people ordering them from Wish and then trying to pass them off as real. So just be vigilant, be careful, make sure you're not buying fake stuff. It's very important that you buy from reputable sources, people that you trust, and things like that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a little bit in this video. Do me a favor down below. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe so you see my videos in the future as well. Hit that bell also. Guys, we will see you in the next video. You have a fantastic rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I do hope that you enjoyed the video. If you guys are new here, before you go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any future notifications and videos when I upload them. I also want to give a huge shout out to all of my awesome channel members on the right hand of the screen right now. Thank you guys for making videos like this possible. We will see you next time.